The power of dua. I used to struggle with feeling disconnected from my faith. Then I learned about powerful techniques that transformed my prayer life. Today, I'm sharing the journey that led me to a deeper spirituality and how you can experience the same. Look, when was the last time you felt truly connected to God? Prayer is one of the most intimate and powerful acts a person can perform. Known in Islam as dua, supplication is not just a ritual, it's a conversation with the Creator. But how can you make your prayers more impactful? Well, start by understanding that dua is not just a request, it's a dialogue. Allah wants to hear from you, and He has promised to respond. When you raise your hands in humility, you are reaching out to the most merciful, who has already promised to respond. Call upon me, I will respond to you. Quran 40:60. So what are you waiting for? This is your time. Let your heart speak and your soul listen.